In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up an automatic fan curve in MSI Afterburner to lower GPU temperatures. Start by opening MSI Afterburner, the utility that lets you fine-tune your graphics card. Once it's open, look down at the bottom for the small gear icon and click it to open the settings. In the settings window, switch to the fan tab. This is where you take control of how your fans respond to heat. Enable the option called User-Defined Software Automatic Fan Control. With this turned on, you'll see a fan curve with temperature along the bottom and fan speed along the side. Drag the points on the curve to tell your fans to ramp up earlier. For example, you might raise the speed a bit in the 50-70 degrees C range, so the card doesn't wait until it's very hot before increasing airflow. Aim for a balance. Higher speeds cool better, but add noise. Small, smooth changes between points help avoid sudden whooshing. When you're happy with the curve, click OK to save it. Back in the main Afterburner window, you can fine-tune stability and thermals. If it's safe for your specific card, gently nudge the core voltage slider upward by a small amount to stabilize clocks at your new cooling profile. Not every model benefits from this, and you should stay within the limits exposed by Afterburner. Watch temperatures closely. Never exceed the limits the slider exposes, and avoid unlocking advanced voltage controls unless you fully understand the risks. If temperatures are still higher than you'd like, reduce the core clock or the memory clock slightly. A minor step down can shave off a few degrees with little impact on real-world performance, especially if thermal throttling was occurring. Make small adjustments, then let the card settle. Click the check mark to apply your changes. From here, monitor temperatures under load in MSI Afterburner to confirm they stay lower. Typical modern GPUs operate safely into the 80s Celsius, but aiming for the mid-70s can reduce noise and help sustain boost clocks. Ambient room temperature and case airflow have a big impact, so expect to tweak the curve a little to fit your setup. Keep an eye on the temperature and fan speed graphs while you're doing something demanding. You want steady temps without constant spikes. If you hear too much fan noise, return to the fan tab later and smooth the curve, or offset the clocks a touch less. If temps creep up, add a little more fan speed in the mid-range rather than waiting for the top end. That's it. Your GPU now ramps its fans intelligently and runs cooler without constant manual tweaks. Congratulations!